How to turn on or turn off printing services on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, go down, then tap on connections. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on more connection settings. Now here at the top, tap on printing. Now in the list of print services, just tap on an item that you want to turn on or switch off. For example, you got default print service, you can switch it off or turn it on. And you got current print service here, you can turn it off or switch it on. Now if the brand or the model of your printer is not showing in here, you can tap on download plugin. And then from here, you can choose one of the available services showing, or you can tap on search. And from here, you can type in, for example, Samsung Print. And tap on search. And here you got Samsung Mobile Print. So tap on that to install. And it is now downloading and installing. After that, tap on open. And that will allow you to open up. Oh, so this one here, it does not allow me to tap on it. It doesn't recognize my touch there, but after you tap on the checkbox, tap on accept, and then tap allow permission, and that's it. Now if you go back, so just go to settings, make sure I turn on all the permissions. So allow, no permission allowed. So just gonna go back to see what you're trying to access. Okay, so we go back in here. So in printing, we have now installed.
Sorry, I couldn't go back.
Okay, so we have installed the Samsung Print. Okay, it's not showing in the list here I can see of. So maybe if I go back in printing, sometimes we just need to refresh it. So I'm pretty sure we have already installed. So we can always try it again. Samsung Print. Here I can just open, allow, and allow all. And here say print Wi-Fi setup. So you can, using this drivers or software, you can then set up a printer for your Samsung device. And let's see if it's now available or showing in here. So still not showing in here. So perhaps for certain apps, it will not be added to the print services. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.